Welcome to Let's Talk Curation in partnership with GDB. This is a series with snackable, digestible mini videos just giving you snippets information that you need to know about curation. Here are some topics I will be covering in partnership with our data curated partner, GDB. Curation 101, why is curated deals perform differently than the open exchange, using CPM to compare open exchange and curated deals or private marketplace, how to think about the budget, like answering the test budget question, answering the curation versus PMP versus open exchange, what's the difference between an audience curation versus a contextual versus a data segment, how to measure a test or how to measure success to start with. Also answer very important questions about reporting, measurement, optimization best practices from a data partner perspective and your own internal perspective, and how do we go from test to scale. So this series is for you if you want to understand clearly, be able to explain it in your own words in a meeting, why curation is just important, who to test with, and how to bring on partners, but also how to just utilize, maximize the data partners that we have to really create this curation world or this SPO world that we hear everyone asking us to do now that cookieless is not going over. Okay. So make sure you check it out twice a week on my YouTube channel and here on LinkedIn. You'll be able to get that. You'll be able to get those mini videos delivered to you if you sign up to our newsletter as well. So check out in the show notes and see you twice a week.